Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So I'm always excited whenever I do jewelry hauls, but this time I'm really excited because whatever I've purchased from this store, I have loved. There's nothing which I've liked. I've loved all of them, their pieces. So the store that I'm talking about is the Elegant Store. It is a Facebook store. Now how these Facebook or Instagram stores work is that they display their catalog as Facebook pics or Instagram pics, basically social media pics. They give you the price also, and you can contact them directly, ask for the price, whatever discounts that they're offering at that time, and post which once you place the order, you can go through a bank transfer. You can make the payment through a NEFT or an IMPS kind of a transfer, a bank transfer to their account, post which they send you the products on your postal address. So Elegant Store is one such store which has amazing, elegant, beautiful jewelry pieces which I have loved. And I mostly love my fashion jewelry, but I literally love them. By the way, do you like my earrings? They are also from Elegant Store and they are my favorite piece, which is why I'm wearing them for the puja today. So this was my package which arrived nicely packaged with some cotton in it, as you can see, and my jewelry in the middle in a plastic box. So let me open and show you my pieces. Just one thing, I will list down all the prices in the description box, and also their link where you can check out their pieces for yourself. And also if you like these pieces, you can order these, and there are a lot of pieces in their catalog. So as per your needs, you can go and buy jewelry. Definitely festive season is coming, so we all need to stack up our fashion jewelry as always. So there's a small note which they have given in a green apple, which is, "Dear Aditi, hope you would love trying out our jewelry. Love, Elegant Store." Thank you, Elegant Store. And now coming to our jewelry pieces. So the first piece that I have here is a kind of a purple chan bali, which is this kind of a chan bali. This is the bali that we have. It has purple stones as well as some pearl stones in it, and some kind of a meenakari work, purple meenakari work. This is the kind of earring. This is how it's gonna look. Now the fact is, I would love to try them out here, but you will have to follow me on my Instagram to see all these pieces, because I'm going to style all these pieces in the festive season this time. So this is the first piece that we have. Price would be linked in the description bar below. The next piece, this was purple, the next piece is blue in color. So the next piece is this piece which we have here. I don't know how to show it. This is the piece which we have. Lovely Firozi blue kind of a piece. This is the second piece as well. Now the fact is, they are meant for festive wear, but you can absolutely style them in your daily wear also, and they're such wearable lovely colors, and they have a wide range of colors. Like certain of their jewelry is also available in different colors, so you can customize that accordingly. The third piece that I have is actually elegance personified kind of a piece, which is this piece. Now you have emerald kind of green stones as well as some pearl here, a pearl drop here. This can absolutely go with your festive wear, but moreover it can go with your business wear or your, let's say, semi-formal, formal kind of a wear. You can I can actually style this with a business green shirt, and this will look superb, or with a sari, a lovely sari. I love this piece as well. But the favorite piece is the piece that I'm wearing, which I'll show you in the end. So there's another small piece that I took, a small tops kind of drop that I took. It was this piece. So if you can see this piece, this has a purplish kind of a stone as well as some American diamonds here. This is the kind of piece that we have, and this is a smaller kind of a piece. So if you see, this is going to come very small, like a very small drop kind of a piece. So more to festive. This is more to the daily wear kind of a thing, but it looks lovely. And the kind of studs that they have put in, if you can see the kind of stones that are there, they have studded well. Lovely and very good quality. And the final thing is a set that they have sent, which is a lovely set, which is totally party wear or festive wear kind of a thing. So there's a golden chain, as well as this is the pendant. You can see the pendant, it has a purple stone as well as it has some pearls in it, and that's the sindoor on my hand. I was doing some kind of a puja, which is why sindoor got on my hands. And now watching the earrings, revealing the earrings rather. These are the earrings which are there, which match with the pendant which is there. So this is the earring which is there. If you can see, there's a kundan here, There are some pink kind of meenakari work as well as a stone, and some more of the pearls here. Lovely, lovely pearls. This is the second pair as well. These two. Actually, these could have also matched my earrings. And now I'm going to take off my one earring and show you the favorite piece. You've already seen me wearing it. So this is the piece that I have. Lovely round kind of an ethnic piece with a yellow kind of a bead. This is a lovely piece. This is the one that I loved the most, and like I fell in love with it. The first time I saw it, I fell in love with it. And this can go with almost all of your festive wear, your lehengas, your churidars, your saris and whatnot. And it looks so good, so elegant. So go for Elegant store for their elegant jewelry, their beautiful jewelry. I'll link down all the prices as well as their Facebook store link at the bottom bar below. You can check it out for yourself. Do purchase from them because they're a new store, like they're budding, and definitely some kind of encouragement from us is going to make them do better work. So this was my haul. Hopefully you liked it. If you want to see me styling all the pieces, please do follow me on Instagram. I would anyways link all the close-up pictures also in this video so that you can check them out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching Beautiful Within. Bye-bye.